Crazy goose, and all the way back when the goose got loose. Crazy times, and that's the tune. Lost machine held a big surprise for all the pets got trapped inside. All of them got supervised. Oh, what's P-Town gonna do? Some of the pets got super too. Watch out, she's coming through. Oops. This virtual reality karaoke suit may be my best invention ever. Time for another tune, eh, Dodge? Bonjour. You must be Sheba from Pet Squad.
Huh?
Yes, very convincing. Not.
Shh. Someone will hear you.
Huh? That's the least of your problems, dearie. I'm afraid your supervisor's being stolen by me. Sorry.
But that's impossible. Our security only recognizes me, Bingo, and...
How's he got me in? Hi there.
Who's a pretty boy, that?
And from there... Oh. Well, I got Matt T-Skills, girlfriend. Sorry again.
At last! The supervisor is mine! With it, I'll turn these ordinary quackers into my super duck army and level this town! You dropped it! You fools!
Perhaps careless.
Dr. Two-Heads, you're supposed to be clever. Make sure this is working!
Well, I don't really do repairs.
Oh!
But we'll happily do this.
But why? Why would you steal the supervisor from Mother Goose?
Crackers?
She blackmailed me. She has something of mine. The most horrendously shameful thing ever.
Oh, come on. What could be so bad?
Her horrid hedge snugs were supposed to return it to me if I did what she asked. But I was duped. They just gave me this.
Oh!
I know.
Well, we've got no choice but to team up. We'll get the supervisor and your thing back together.
Oh, a team. Will we get to wear matching outfits? I think I've got some in the closet.
Posey! Jonathan! Sheba, quick! They're here to steal the... Okay, clearly I missed quite a bit.
Hippie!
This is an evil dream come true!
Shame. God.
Oh, don't be such a baby, Wilbur. This is finally my moment of victory! You said it was working!
Perhaps a minor problem.
Nothing we cannot deal with.
Yeah, that stinks.
Crackers!
Okay, Mother Goose can't find out we're here, so be very quiet.
Who wants ice cream?
Me! Pepe! Shh! Bad robot! Go to the naughty step.
I'm not so bad. I hate the naughty step.
Well, this little group is more than its fair share of crazy.
Okay, team. We're not supervised.
I am.
But the one advantage we do have is the element of surprise.
Yes, again! Look, it's the Peacock and the Powerless Pets. What a sweet little team.
You won't get away with this, you...
Nice speech as always, doggy, but I already have got away with it. You see, I'm here in my ultra-secure lair with the supervisor, and you're out there with nothing. I hold all the cards. stink?
Huh?
What? No, they really do. Ignore that. Right now, I have an army of super ducks waiting to rush P-Town.
Double idiot.
So, get a waddle on. Go on.
So what are you waiting for?
Well, my favorite show is on. Don't want to miss it.
Something smells fishy around here, girlfriend.
I think it's more like rotten cheese.
Oh, that is nasty.
That stink may be our only hope.
No, Wilbur, I am not opening the roof while Pet Squad and the Peacock are sniffing about.
Oh.
It's fixed. You're certain this time?
I bet his life on it.
Excellent. Now I can... Oh, who can that be?
Pizza delivery.
Just a second.
Mom, I think.
But it's obviously a peacock, a dog, a cat, and a guinea pig in a terrible disguise trying to deliver pizza we didn't order?
Yeah.
What would I do without that big brain of yours, Norman?
I'll try.
Prepare the special welcome.
Hey, stop it! Tickle! Charge!
Oh boy.
Hey, what's the feathers?
Nope, still not super strong, just checking. This is the best plan you could come up with? Oh, pathetic!
Well, that hairdo is so last year.
Like I'll take fashion advice from this guy?
No! That was taken first thing in the morning.
That's the big blackmail thing?
Don't look at it! My eyes! It burns my eyes!
Oh, burn, baby, burn!
You stink, Goosey, just like your lair.
Well, now you're here, we can fix that. Wilbur, open the roof! Let us out, you big meanie! Seeing as you asked nicely. No!
Huh?
Even the annoying dog can't think of anything to say. That's Posey, the parrot! If he's... Don't open the roof!
Too late! Thanks, doggy!
Supervisation is go, go, go.
Don't get your hopes up. You come out all pink and belch.
I'm back, baby! Let's boogie! Yeah, all right!
Oh, so now you fixed it. Get in! Crackers! Now! Now! Stop them! Stop! Somebody!
Nobody move! I've got it, Doc.
Crackers! Posey's crackers! No, no, no!
And I'll take that!
No!
Come on, Posey! Time to fly the coop and get your crackers! Later, Furballs! It's been emotional.
Wilbur! Activate the internal defense systems!
Yes, Mommy.
Pets! Group hug! Now, Pepe!
So long, suckers!
What? No! life of me, I can't figure out where my karaoke suit went. How strange.